Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. If you would like to inspire someone, if you would like to help them out, share these videos. If you would like to get them to know themselves on a deeper level, share these videos. Invite them to have a Your Life Blueprint consultation. Even give them a gift of that. That would be great. The more people we can get to know themselves, the more peace and love and compassion we bring to the world. So it's Friday, and Friday is the day of the Idealist. The Idealist. The Idealist. Beauty and art. Beauty and art. What's the connection between beauty and art? What is the connection between art and the senses? Art brings our awareness within. The senses, especially for the spiritual idealist, brings the awareness within. They're not just material tools, not just material tools, but the senses are tools for art and enlightenment. Art and enlightenment. Beauty. 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 A beautiful scent. Something that tastes beautiful. Something that feels beautiful. This is what Friday is all about. This is what we can feel on Fridays. Beauty and art. Take in some art today. All art is beautiful. All art comes from beauty, comes from the senses. All art. Enliven the senses. Transcend through the senses on Fridays, especially if you are the spiritual idealist. Transcend through beauty, transcend through the senses. Beauty. 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 Senses. Sensual. Sensual senses. Sensual senses. Sensual art. Sensual beauty. Venusian beauty. Venusian beauty. Venusian Goddess. Venus. Venus. Goddess. Venus. Goddess of Friday. Take in some beauty today. Take in some art today. Create some art from one of the senses. Feel that connection between the artist and the spiritual. Feel it. Be it on Fridays. Be that beautiful connection. Beautiful.